Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I got a lot of cool products to show you. Itel, a mobile brand, launched Itel Smart Gadgets to enhance the smartphone experience of consumers in India. Previously they dealt only with mobiles, but now they brought in a lot of cool gadgets, which you might definitely want to buy. They brought in 14 new products under 4 different categories: power, audio, speaker, and fitbands. With all this, Itel wishes to provide quality products at affordable price, and all these products are priced under 2000 rupees, and they are also available offline, which is actually the best thing. Now before we get started with the unboxing, here are all the products. We have neckband earphones, a dual port charger, smart band, power bank, car charger, and a fast charging cable as well. Now let me just go on with the unboxing. First we have the power brick or the power adapter. And here's a quick preview of how the power brick looks with 2 ports. On the top it says Itel followed by the model number and some more specifications. On the back we have some more specs, and most importantly it's priced at 299 rupees. Now let's open it up. Here's the micro USB charging cable, and it has red color inside the jack, which is a nice touch, which goes on with the Itel branding. Next we have the dual port charger itself, and the dual USB ports are in the blue color. I guess red would have been more consistent with the overall branding. So overall, here's how the power adapter looks like. Next we have the car charger, and here's the box. Once again we have a preview of how the charger looks like, along with the Itel branding at the top, followed by the model number. On the side we have some of the highlighting features like dual output, multi-protection, LED indicator, and so on. On the back we have complete specifications like input and output, and mainly the price of this particular car charger is at 249 rupees. Now let's open it up. Here's the car charger. Looks pretty premium in all black with red lines. And it also has 2 USB ports. Next, let's move on to the power bank, which actually I've been pretty much looking forward to. And here's the overall packaging. Once again, we have the Itel branding, a quick preview of how the power bank looks like. The overall box packaging looks kinda small, considering it's a 10,000 mAh power bank. Anyway, the main highlights would be multi-protection, dual output, 2.1 amps fast charging, that's maximum of 10 watts approximately, and the power bank itself is pocket-sized. On the back side, we have some more specifications, and this power bank is priced at 999 rupees. Now let's open it up. First, we have the power bank itself in complete white. It is pretty small and kinda heavy, also has the 2 USB ports that I've talked about, and once again, it is a blue color on the inside. Next we have a micro USB charging cable along with some documentation. Now let's move on to the smart band. So here's the overall packaging. On the front we have the Itel branding, product model number, followed by a quick preview of how the fitness band itself looks like, which by the way looks pretty great with that colorful display. And below that we have some of the highlighting features like HD color screen. It can show you notifications, it can also track your steps, it's IP67 waterproof, and it has a battery life of about 20 days. On the back we have some more information, some more specs, but most importantly, this fitness band is priced at 1299 rupees. Now let's open it up. Now this particular product has a pretty unique packaging. Once you open it up, you are greeted with a transparent box, and inside that we have the fitness band enclosed in another cardboard package. So once we open it up, we have the fitness band itself. Next there's a small compartment inside the box, which actually has the charging cable. Now here's how you put the band inside the charger in the clip mechanism. It is pretty simple. Now here's the fitness band itself with plastic strap, just like other fitness bands out there, with a pretty big colorful display. Next we have the fast charging cable, which is pretty much self-explanatory, and it's priced at 99 rupees, and it's a micro USB charging cable. Let me just open it up, and here we have it, the micro USB charging cable. It's kinda thick but feels pretty premium. Now finally we have the neckband wireless earphones. Once again, here's a quick preview of how it looks like along with the overall branding. And as for the highlighting features, you get HD sound, magnetic design, they're also sweat proof, and has built-in remote and mic. On the back side we have some more specifications. Battery capacity is 100 milliamps, and music playback time is about 4 hours. This product is priced at about 1200 rupees. Now let's open it up. First we have the user manual. Next we have charging cable with some red colored jacks. Next we have some extra ear tips, and finally the earphones themselves. These earphones look smooth and are kind of slippery, There are 3 buttons and the neckband is made of soft rubber material, which feels pretty flexible. By the way, these earphones also come with magnets, which attach to themselves pretty well. So guys, these are all the new products and accessories launched by Itel in India, which will also be available in the offline markets. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about these products, leave a link below this video and we'll get back to you. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.